Okay.
Hey guys, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Selena,
And this is Jonas Brothers News and Gossip. Alright, we pretty much made this channel because we know sources.
A lot of people.
Yes, pretty much a lot of people.
And we know a lot about the Jonas Brothers.
We know, we're fans, I mean who isn't? We're in love. Our favorite is Nick, but we know everything about all of them. We know all these, we know secret websites. We have actually met people who've met them and hung out with them and told them stuff, and we have a lot of evidence. And we want you guys to be caught up on the Jonas Brothers' life, just like we are. And we know a lot of fans out there want to know who they're dating and who they're not dating, and all about Miley Cyrus and everyone, who's dating who.
7 Things music video.
Yes, which we're going to talk about
Right now.
So right now, we're going to start with Nick Jonas. So,
well, he,
that away.
From Popstar Online, actually, they asked him if they thought the music video was about him, and he, quote, nope, and they asked him one reason, and he was like, my friends aren't jerks.
Which was,
and
he laughed about it.
Yeah.
And 7 Things video, if you've seen it,
she was wearing a dog tag.
Yeah, she holds onto the dog
and
tag.
she kisses it,
and it's his. He gave that to her when they were dating.
Well, it's not his anymore.
Well, obviously it's not his.
He has a new one.
Yeah, he has a new one with diamonds.
And she wears green Converse. Well, she wears 2 different colored Converse, and Nick always wears green Converse most of the time.
Yeah.
And she holds a picture of her and a guy with a sticker on it, and that would be him.
We actually saw the picture.
Yes.
So he broke up with her. They were on tour together, Best Book World Tour, and he broke up with her 2 days before Christmas.
They were on and off for a year.
Yeah, he broke up with her 2 days before Christmas, and that's when it was officially over.
And that's when they wrote
she's still
the
not
songs.
over it.
Yeah.
So
she needs to get over it.
Yeah, we're not very big fans of Miley, but we love her, but we don't at the same time.
Like her music.
So anyway, Joe. Let's talk about Joe Jonas.
He's quite the flirt. Actually.
Yes. He and Demi are not dating.
No, not dating. Good friends. That's illegal, though, if you guys don't know.
That's why they didn't kiss in the movie.
Nope. That's because it's illegal.
It's pretty much illegal.
But I personally believe that Nick Jonas has a crush on her.
That's personal.
Personal. Just saying.
That's a personal thought. But Joe, so far, as far as we know, he's single. As our sources tell us, he is single.
Yes.
He's a big flirt and all that stuff.
Oh, yes. And he's not going with Chelsea Staub. She has a boyfriend.
No. Chelsea Staub, yeah, she has a boyfriend in the new Jonas thing.
Yeah.
So, also, he, on this tour, Burning Up tour, he's fallen about 8 times.
He's quite the klutz.
He is. He falls off stage. When him and Nick do the good night and goodbye dance, they've fallen a lot. So
he enjoys the falling.
he enjoys it very much.
And Big Rob fell actually once on a music video. Yeah, it was. Anyway,
so I'm gonna talk about Kevin right now. So when we
not
went
a lot of
to,
people know about Kevin.
Whatever.
It's kind of sad.
Can you stop? Alright. So we went to a Jonas Brothers concert in March 22nd to be exact. We won tickets on 700.